In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a watch list in TradingView. Whether you're tidying up or have simply changed your investment strategy, knowing how to efficiently manage your watch lists is important for keeping your TradingView workspace organized. Let's dive in, and I'll walk you through the straightforward process to help you declutter your charts. First, we'll start by navigating to the TradingView website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the TradingView URL. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Ensure you have your login credentials at hand, and it's always a good idea to make sure your browser is updated to avoid any potential compatibility issues. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your chart. This is the primary area where you conduct your analysis, and it's from here that you can access the feature to manage your watch lists. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to TradingView, as it will make the process much smoother. Now, focus on the right side of the screen where you'll see your watch list. This section displays all the assets that you've bookmarked for easy access, a handy tool for active traders. Look for the watch list panel, which should be clearly labeled. Within this panel, you'll notice an array of symbols, each representing different financial instruments like stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, and more. Here, you'll want to locate the plus icon. This icon is quite distinct, making it easy to find amongst the other features. Clicking this plus icon is the gateway to modifying your watch lists, allowing you to add new symbols or manage existing ones. After clicking the plus icon, you should now see additional options to manipulate your watch list. The next move involves identifying the trash icon. This icon is universally recognized as a delete option and is the key to removing an unwanted watch list or symbols you no longer need. So go ahead, click the trash icon next to the watch list or the specific items you wish to remove. And there you have it. The watch list or selected symbols are now removed and your TradingView is a bit more organized. Keep in mind, effective chart analysis often means working with a refined list of symbols, so don't hesitate to regularly review your watch lists. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, you should now be comfortable managing and deleting watch lists in TradingView. As always, keeping your trading environment neat can significantly enhance your efficiency and clarity when making trading decisions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.